Sometimes you are browsing certain web pages and you want to go to the desktop immediately. Then this video shows how to hide or display the desktop. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard, and this computer keyboard, this is the Windows key and this is the D key, and you must press both keys simultaneously like this. That is, you press the Windows key and at the same time you press the D key also. If you press both the keys at the same time, you can see that the desktop arrived here. And if you back press again like this Windows key and desktop key again, then you can see that page you previously browsed arrived. So remember, for display and hide desktop easily in Windows 10, you must press this is the Windows key and this is the D key, and you must press both the keys simultaneously like this. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.